Hi, my name is Kim, and I own a company called Wenzel's Luxurious Bath Supplies. And we are coming out with a great new line of bath products. These products are all natural, homemade bath salts, bath bombs, salt scrubs, and soaps. All of our products are made of all natural materials and essential oils. Did you know that most bath products you buy in the store contain harmful chemicals that can be damaging to your skin? Our products are all natural and not harmful to your skin. We are going to offer these products on Facebook and Etsy, geared towards the women who love to take baths and enjoy having that nice, soft, supple skin. After our products become known, we will sell them at smaller, local-owned stores like the Quilted Bear. We are trying to raise $100 in funding, and our return on investment of that $100, we project it to be about $300. If this sounds interesting to you, give me a card, and I would be happy to talk to you more about getting this business on the launch. Thanks. Have a great day.